morning, beautiful people. Happy Tuesday. So you guys would have just seen me make some breakfast. I made some coffee as well, and I'm currently working from home. So I am just about to take my breakfast to the office and continue working. And I just wanted to say hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm gonna take you guys along with me this week. It's a 3-day week today. So today's Tuesday, we finished working on Wednesday, and then we're kind of celebrating the Queen's 70th Jubilee on Thursday and Friday. So we have those two as national holidays, which is great. So I'm not complaining. But I think I'm just gonna spend the time maybe resting and just catching up with life admin, meeting up with some of my girls. This morning I was actually working on a video that I'm going to drop later on today, because today is Tuesday. I forgot to take a thumbnail picture beforehand or whilst filming, so I just had to take a screenshot of one of the current frames, and let me show you guys. We make it work. So this is going to be the thumbnail picture, and if you guys see this and the video is already live, please drop your girl a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So thank you guys so much for riding with me this far. Honestly, thank you. So I don't have much planned today apart from work, and then I'm gonna get myself a little bit together for brunch with my girl Audrey. So you guys, I'm gonna take you guys along for the brunch after work. It's not gonna be anything kind of fancy, we just love food. So we're just gonna grab some breakfasty type of food for dinner. I know that sounds weird, but honestly, breakfast for dinner bangs. I think it tastes better at dinner time than it does for actual breakfast. I don't know, that's weird, but that's me. But guys, let me know down in the comments if you love breakfast for dinner. So any kind of brunch vibes after 6 p.m. Like, I will literally make beans and toast and some sausages at like 6 p.m. for dinner. That's just me, I'm just weird. But yeah, so I just wanted to come and say good morning. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you guys later on. Hey guys, happy Thursday. So it's been an eventful day. Anyways, it's about 2 p.m. and we so yeah, it's a churro. It's so good. So we are currently in the car right now. We picked up some churros and one of our favorite,
I can't cheers you because it's stuck, but
we picked up coffee from Michael's Coffee. Literally, this is our spot.
I can cheers you now. Hey,
cheers. You don't even have the logo on. Do it again.
Where's the logo?
I'll turn it around. Yeah, I'll turn it around for the people.
For the people, they need to see.
Okay. Cheers.
Wait, is it in? Is it in the camera?
Is it in? Yeah. Cheers. Okay.
Guys.
Yeah, literally, this is.
If you don't know about Michael's Coffee, get to know. Best coffee.
It is the best coffee in Manchester. Like, shout out to Michael's. Matter of fact, they need to sponsor this video because the amount of time.
Michael, my uncle. He's my uncle at this point, because
we live at Michael's Coffee.
Honestly,
like, is it not every single time like we're in town it has to be a Michael's Coffee shout? But
so good. It's one of those things where like you just have to try it.
Yeah.
Like, you just have to try it.
Yeah. Just this is word of mouth, but trust me, if you guys are in the Manchester area, you better try it. But yeah, we also picked up some churros. So these are the current state of the churros right now. We're in the car. Shem's finished hers. I'm literally halfway there, and these are doing the do's. Okay, these churros are wonderful. So yeah, we had quite a busy morning, but very productive. We shot some content, and then got some churros, got some coffee, and then now we're just gonna head home for a chilled afternoon. Sham's gonna go out for dinner, and then I'm hosting dinner for 4 of my girls, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me, show you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes. I've got a couple of recipes that I'm gonna try out, so I think you guys might want to try those as well. So I'm going to show you guys what's happening over there tonight. So see you shortly. I'm just going to finish my churro because right now it's making a mess in the car, but so I've got the potatoes in the oven, and I've got the chicken that's been marinating for about 24 hours now, and it smells so good. Like, I'm expecting my people to arrive at 6:30. It's currently 5:30, but you know, black people were always either late or late, so I'm not too pressed in terms of time, because I know if they arrive on time, I'm gonna be so impressed, and I'll let you guys know. I don't think they will arrive on time anyway, so I've got time. So yeah. Ready? Yeah. Hey guys, so today is Saturday. It's currently 7:09, and we just went out and got some Domino's pizza, and we are just going to have the best time of our lives. It's my girl, just living her best life. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. It's been such a chilled day. I literally woke up at 1 p.m. It's been a lazy Saturday, one of the laziest Saturdays that I've had in a while. I dropped a video this afternoon, so if you guys are watching this vlog, then I've probably dropped the vlog where I talk about Korean barbecue for the first time, working 9 to 5. So if you're interested in that, then just pop over to my previous vlog, and it will be there for you guys. So yeah, we're just gonna tuck into some pizza and have a chilled night. Hey guys, so I have just finished filming 2 videos for today. Today is Sunday, and it's been such a good but very tiring day. It has been productive though, so I am very happy about that. So let me show you guys a bit of a behind the scenes. So this is currently what today's little set was like. Just sat over here. It's been a really busy day, but I am proud. Like 2 videos in one day, that's something. Okay, next thing you know, I'll be doing 2, 4, 6. Okay, let me not push it, but yeah, quite a productive day. And yes, so I just wanted to come on here and close out the vlog and say thank you guys for watching today's vlog. I will see you in my next video. Bye.